everyone. So in this video I'm going to be making 3 simple chicken dinners at home, and it's from scratch and really easy to put together. So for my first recipe, I'm doing a chicken curry bake. I'm going to peel and then cut potatoes into about 1.5-inch pieces, like for roasting. I'm going to drizzle ketchup quite generously and put a large dollop of yogurt. I'm going to sprinkle on some black pepper and salt, and the main highlight, which is the curry powder. I'm going to enhance the curry powder with a little bit of coriander powder and a teensy bit of Indian garam masala. Then I'm going to toss everything and put it in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is the final result. I grew up eating my grandma's roast curry chicken, so this reminds me a little bit of her, though it's a bit different and a bit overcooked, but oh, it was so tasty and juicy. So the next recipe is based on my Irish balsamic roast ham, but with chicken instead. I'm going to put some Himalayan pink salt and black pepper over the chicken. Again, I'm not measuring anything. You really don't have to, just go by instinct here. Lightly toss some rosemary, some cayenne pepper, drizzle honey quite generously because honey really brings out flavors of chicken and like savory flavors, Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of soy sauce, and quite a bit of balsamic vinegar, as well as a dash of mustard. And I'm going to toss everything with some enobi mushrooms and cherry tomatoes. If you have no time to prep like vegetables, use mushrooms and cherry tomatoes because no peeling, no cutting required. Just toss it in, and into the oven it goes, same as the curry chicken bake. And just look at it. My family loves this recipe. I love it too. The week later I made like even more of it because we were so excited by it, and we're actually gonna make it for one of our big family holiday dinners. Next, I'm making chicken soup, and it's gonna have carrots and onions all cut into big chunky pieces because I don't want them to like dissolve into the soup. I still want to see all my vegetables, all the lovely vegetables giving it flavor, like the potatoes or celery that I'm cutting into 1-inch pieces as well. Here we go. Corn, because it lends some sweetness to the recipe. I'm just splitting it into 3. Tomatoes, I'm going to cut them into half. I'm going to remove like the stem part. Don't cut them any smaller than half. Half is good enough, and it's quick and easy. Now we have the chicken that has been just stewing while I've been cutting the vegetables. Chicken feet, chicken wingtips, parts of rib, like any leftover bits of chicken, throw it in there to make soup. I'm going to toss in the vegetables and add a bit more water, and just let it cook slowly for a couple of hours or overnight. It was so flavorful. All it needed was a bit of salt and pepper. It had the sweetness from all the vegetables, and it kept us like nourished and refreshed when we were having influenza the week later. So this is good soup. Like chicken soup is like penicillin. In any case, if you like this video, do like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. I will be uploading more videos as time goes by. Bye!